Assalamualaikum students, I hope you all are fine. Today we are gonna continue with our previous exercise, which is 3.4, and the question number 2 states that a gas is expanding according to this law, right? They've given you the law in form of equation and its mathematical form, right? The gas is expanding. I hope you're well aware of the phenomenon of expansion, that when a gas is heated it expands, right? And the law that it is following is this: find C when P is equals to 80, V is equals to 3.1, and N is equals to 5 by 4. They've asked you to find the value of this C, and they've given the value of other variables, like they've given you the value of P, which is pressure, the volume V, which is 3.1, N, that is in power, equals to 5 by 4, right? So let's start with the question. The law is PV raised to the power n. This power n is only the power of V, right? It's not the power of this both of these, and it is equals to C. Now the first step is again same. We're going to take log on both sides, right? Taking log on both sides. So it will become log of PV raised to the power n is equals to log of C. Now we are gonna write this log, or we're gonna apply this log with these both of these numbers, and as you can see that pressure and volume are being multiplied, and we know that according to law of logarithm, when we apply logarithm to the numbers which are being multiplied, then multiplication changes to addition. So we will get log of P, the first number, as it is. Then as here is we have multiplication, so we will write plus here according to law of logarithm, plus log of second number, which is V raised to the power n, is equals to log of C. Now we know that there is another law of logarithm which states that if a number has power, right, then and obviously of course if there is log of that number, then this power will come before log, means we will write this power here. So log of P will remain as it is, plus now here n will come at the beginning, and log of V is equals to log of C, right? Now as we know all these values, right, they had already told you to find C when P was this, V was this, and N is this. So we're gonna substitute all these values to find the value of C. So in place of P, I will write its value, which is 80, plus the value of N is 5 by 4 into log of V. V is 3.1 is equals to log of C. Now we're going to find these values by using calculator, or either you can use log table. So the log of 80 comes out to be 1.9030, plus 5 over 4 into log of 3.1 comes out to be 0.4914 is equals to log of C. So now we're going to simplify these numbers, we're going to add them, and on adding them you will get 2.5173 is equals to log of C. Now again we need to find the value of C only, not log of C. So in order to cancel this log, we are again gonna take anti-log on both sides, as we did in previous questions, right? So I'm gonna take anti-log on both sides. On both sides, right? So we will have anti-log of this number, which is 2.5173, is equals to anti-log of of this side, and we already have here log of c. This anti-log will cancel log, and here we will have c only, and now we will take anti-log of this number, and it comes out to be 329.2, and we have solved the question. So that's all we have for today. Thank you very much.